Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful letterhead. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you have to go to the Insert tab and go to Shapes. So from the Shapes, we will locate this arrow pentagon here. Just click on it and come and draw it here. So when you draw it this way, you simply have to remove the outline. So let's right click on it and go to Format Shape. So the properties of it will appear at the right side of our screen here. So under the properties, you go to the fill here. So under the fill, you click here and click on this color right here. So after clicking on this color, simply have to click on it again and go to more colors. So then use this pointer. When you are moving this pointer around, you observe the new color here. It will change. So you see the new color is changing, right? Alright, so I'll go with this color. So I'll click on OK. Alright, so I'll gently align it at the top left corner of our screen. So I'll increase here a little bit. Alright, so I'll reduce here a little. Alright, so I think here is not bad. Alright, so now I'm just going to make another copy of this one. So I'm just going to place it on top here, but I'll rather reduce the size of this one. I'm not just reducing the size. This one also, I want to give it an outline. So I'll give it solid. And I'll come here and I'll give it 3.75. Alright, so the color also, I'll choose this color. So the fill here, that's the solid fill. The color here, I'll come here and I'll choose this color. So then come back to the outline and choose white. Alright, so let's gently align it here. Alright, I think this way is not looking bad. I'm just trying to increase this one a little. Alright, so I think this way is not bad, it's okay. So now, what I want us to do next is to go back to the Insert tab, go to this place, that's the shapes, and now we are going to insert where is this shape right here. So when you just click on it, come and draw it this way. Let's rotate it to this side. Alright, so with this one, the outline, you can give it an outline of black or white also. So just come here, that's under the line here, give it white. And the width of it also, choose 3.75. And the shape fill, we'll choose this color right here. Alright, so I'll gently align it at the top. Let me zoom in a little. Alright, so I'm also using my arrow keys to help me move it around. Alright, so I think this is not bad. So I'm just going to make a copy here. So with this one, I'm reducing it. And the color, I'll choose this color. So let's just align this one also here. So this one, let me remove the outline. Alright, so now let's go to the Insert tab again. Let me make sure this one is well aligned. Let's go to back to the Insert tab again. Go to Shapes, and we are now going to insert this isosceles triangle right here. So just come and draw it this way. Let me zoom it in a little. So let's give it no outline. So I'll gently place it somewhere around here. Alright, so I'm just trying to do something here. So now let me use my arrow keys to move it around. I think it will help a lot. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So let me select it this way and then change the color. Alright, this is what I wanted to do. Alright, so now let's make a copy of this one here to the bottom. So I'll gently rotate it. So whatever color which was green will now change to the dark blue. So it is first color. Okay, let me just leave it this way. Take this one again, make a copy and place it on top. So like I said, you can use the arrow keys to help you move it around. It helps a lot. So take this one again, make a copy here. So I'll take this one also, make another copy. So to make a copy, if you have to use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, it makes our work much more difficult. So in my previous videos, you can see that I usually say to make an easy copy and paste, you simply have to press and hold the Ctrl key, like as the shape is selected. Press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and use your left button to click and hold and drag to duplicate. You see, to easily make it copy. So that's what I'm just using to make a copy this whole while. Alright, so I'll just align it somewhere around here. Alright, and then go to the top, this small shape that we inserted there. So I'll make another copy here. I want only this one. Oops. So let me zoom in order to make it fit well. So let me rotate that one also. So right now I'm using my arrow keys, like I said, it makes our work easier. Alright, so I think the bottom and the top is done. So now let's start inserting our text box. So go to the insert tab, we have the text box right here, click on it and then click on draw text box. So just click once, it will be inserted. So click on the outline, give it no outline, shape fill, give it no fill. So inside here, that will be the company name. So at the bottom, you have your tagline. So I'll select it or go to layout. So the after, I'll give it 0. So I'll select the first one here and I'm going to choose the font as impact and the size I'll go with 14. So with this I'll select it and I'll choose semi bold. So let's change the color of this one to the green. So I'll gently align it somewhere around here. So now let's go to the insert tab and insert our logo. So from the insert tab, we go to pictures. The logo is already in my device, so I'll work with this device. But in case when you don't have the logo in your device, and you have to work with online pictures, you go with online pictures. So with this device, so I have the logo right here. I'll simply double click on it. So you see this icon, you see when I'm to move it around, I can easily move it around. So when you click on this one and wrap it with this one, you can freely move it around and through any part that you want to send it to. So I'll do it this way. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So I'll make another copy of this one. Remember, I'm using the control key and dragging to make a copy, so that it will make our work faster. So here will be 2. So let me open this one up. And the next one will be Steven. That will be the name of that person. So I'm just going to choose any name at all. Steven Morgan. And the next one, let me say the position the person is holding. So I'll put manager there. And the contact details. So I'll choose something like, I don't know, but I'm just choosing something like 0000. And here that will be the next one will be the location. So I'll go with university 1 2 3. So let's now format it. I'll select the first one here. I'll choose semi-bold and I'll choose black. So I'll go with the Morgan. That's the name. So I'm just going to increase the size and the color. So with this, I'm choosing the Calibri. Alright. So I'm making a copy here. So and I'm going to change that one to date. We'll have our date. So the date will be something like this. I'm just going to choose something like January 2026. So I will select this one. Now choose the green. So let's select this one also and choose Calibri. Alright, the size, I forgot. The size is supposed to be 12. Alright, so now let's make a copy here. So we can now start designing the salutation and the body. So I'll go with dear sir. It can be dear madam or dear sir, any. Alright, so here that will be the body. So I'm just going to randomly generate a text there for the body. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with something like rand. I'll be looking for 2 paragraphs with 4 lines. Enter, boom, it has come. So you see now I'm having 2 paragraphs and each with 4 lines. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Yeah, let me increase the layout a little. So let's take this one and make a copy at the bottom, to the bottom. So here we have something like from. So the person name will be there. So you have the name, you have the surname. So under the position the person is holding, so I'll put something like templates warriors. So next will be the signature. So I'll just go with signature. I'm to make it in caps. Alright, so I'll select it all and choose black. let me now take it one after the other to format it. The first one will be Calibri, and I'll italize it. The second one, I'll leave it as it is and choose green. The third one, I'll choose Calibri and I'll make it bold and make it 12. So let me give another space here. So I will now select all of it this way and align it to the center. Let's make this one also bold. Alright, so now let me go to the Insert tab, go to Shapes, and go to Line. I'm just going to insert a line here. So a signature can be placed on it. So I'll choose this one. Alright, so now let's go to the Insert tab, go to Pictures. We are not going to insert another shape there. And this shape, that will be where we will place our icons inside it. So I'll choose this shape right here, and I'll come and draw it this way. So I don't want new outline, so I'll choose this color right here. Alright, so I'm making a copy here. So I'll make another copy here. Now let me take this one, or you can take any text at all in there and make another copy and place it here. So this one, like I said, that will be the contact. So I'll go with something like this. The color will be black. Let's align it to the center. So I'll bring this one here, and that will be the email. So I'll go with something like info@gmail.com. So lastly, that will be the location. So the location, I'll go with anywhere city. One, 1, 2. Alright, so now let's insert our icons inside in all of it, one after the other. So go to the Insert tab, go to Pictures. I have it in my device already, so I'll go with this device. So this is the first one. So I'll wrap it this way so I can freely move it around. So I'll bring it here, I'll just place it here for now, and go and insert all the others also. So I'll take this one, wrap it so I can freely move it around. Alright, so now let me zoom in. So I will take the next one. That will be the email. So the last one, that will be the location. Alright, so now let me zoom out a little. So you can see from the top to the bottom. Alright, so from the top to the bottom, you can see our design looks nice and clean. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.